Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be reviewing Hormel's spaghetti and meat sauce. It says it's ready in 60 seconds. Anyway, it looks good. I think the image is expanded a little bit. I do think this is photoshopped on. I don't think there's going to be any green. I can totally tell based on my totally not amateurish experience making thumbnails. Anyway, instructions are pretty simple. Vent the tray, microwave for 1 minute, remove film, and serve. So I'm gonna go cook this up, and I'll be right back with the finished product. Hey guys, I'm back. This is what it looks like cooked. I'm gonna show you what the box looked like as well here, because this is probably the most egregious so far on this channel of not actually looking similar. Yeah, so it's not really very representational. Maybe if I stir it a little bit here, it'll. Oh yeah, it's kind of in a big clump there. Yeah, it's starting to look a little more like the box now that it's stirred. Alright. So now that it's more stirred, and we got the box, it still doesn't really look similar, but that doesn't really matter as long as it tastes good. So, here we go. It's fine. It tastes very similar to ravioli, like canned ravioli. It's maybe a little zestier, a little tangier or something, the meat sauce. And the noodles are kind of weird. Noodles are a little weird. There's a decent amount of meat in the meat sauce though. It's not purely noodle. Overall, I give this a 4 out of 5. It's fine. I don't really like it that much, but it's super easy to make, like 1 minute. It doesn't really look like the box. It doesn't really taste great, but it doesn't, it's completely edible still. It's not really a full meal either. You'd probably still be hungry after this. And I have no idea if it's even remotely nutritional. But I think 4 out of 10. It's okay. Anyway, thank you for watching. See ya. Welcome to the outro. In this outro, I'll give you my answer to the flute dilemma. It's B. It's child B. Child A can play it. Child B made it and got the materials. And child C is poor. So child B gets it because they made it and they provide the materials. So it's theirs. I'm pretty sure almost everyone that grew up in modern times with modern ethics and morals is going to choose B, no question. This seems like a really poor example. You gotta be really deep into philosophy or something in order to think that this is even remotely a dilemma. Anyway, see ya. Thank you for watching.